Hey guys, welcome back to the Weiss Life, or welcome if you're new. We have kind of a busy week. We've had a couple birthdays. Oh, when was your birthday, Gemma?
May 22nd.
May 22nd, so yours was a little bit ago. But whose birthdays did we just have?
Jagger's?
We had Mom's on the 2nd, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then Jagger's was on the 4th, and then Gwen's is on the 8th. So it's a super busy week, and well, a couple of weeks. And we're gonna run and get some booster shots. Gemma just turned 5, so we're gonna get her in and get her up to speed, I guess. And Jagger got some of the coolest little toys. He has some in the playpen here, but this has been probably Jagger's favorite toy. He's actually upstairs napping right now.
This is mine too. I like playing with this with him.
Right? And I like it because it doesn't have any loose parts. You know what I mean? Yeah, here, I can show him this side too. You kind of race it up, and then it goes down.
And then you can race it down.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then it looks like, oh, I almost tripped. Graceland is working on something. I don't know what maybe she's gonna be doing dishes now? No?
It's a paper pulp thing.
It's pretty, so you're making a special thing. Is this one of the kiwi crates? We love these things.
Yeah.
Let me see with this. Yeah, paper pulp paintings. These are great, these are such good activities. So that's cool, so we'll check on that later, but we gotta go now. We're going to, I think CVS to get our shots. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll catch up with everybody else. No problem, shots are out of the way. It's actually Gwen's birthday in a couple days. So I think we're gonna run in real quick to like TJ Maxx and Target. Gemma,
birthday presents.
yeah, to look at birthday presents. Gemma got a little tiny thing of mini M&Ms, so she's obsessed. But yeah, we're just gonna take a look. I know she wants some new of those little side controllers for the Nintendo Switch, so we'll see if they have those over at Target. So it looks like we're not having any luck. All the controllers are sold out. This is like the purple one, the light gray. So that looks like, I don't know if there's like a shortage or something I didn't know about, but we're not gonna be getting those today.
We found a huge squid, a stuffy.
Yeah, Squishable?
Yeah, Squishable.
Yeah, we're not getting it. She already has a bunch, but Gabrielle knows that Gwen actually is looking for what? A cow?
Like the brown or the black cow, but they're super rare, so I just want to see if we had it.
No luck right now?
What is this?
What's this? Avocado toast?
Yeah.
Gabrielle found, see the end cap had some more.
This is so cute.
Got back home. Jagger's got his new little piano. We got that for $1. So that was kind of lucky. And we went and got some lunch.
So my favorite thing about In-N-Out is when you order a bunch of burgers and they package it like a present. They put it in these little boxes.
We could reuse those as presents.
Gross. No, you can't. It's cheese
Present
on
boxes?
it.
Oh.
So are they all the same or what's up with
No,
the
you
different-
gotta, no, they're kind of different. It's got everybody what they like.
Oh, this one has onions, so that's for us. I think this is Jagger's first time eating In-N-Outs. He has a
Yeah.
little grilled cheese
Half of a grilled cheese.
and
yeah.
some french fries. He loves french fries. He's had those from McDonald's before. What do you think, buddy?
He likes the french fries.
I love your outfit today. Super cute. One of your birthday outfits. So how did it go? You got your COVID shot?
Yeah.
You feel like a superhero yet?
Here.
Right there?
Yeah.
I heard you're supposed to wiggle your arm around so it doesn't get sore. Can you do lots of arm wiggles today? Yeah, like that.
We'll go swimming.
Oh, that's a good idea.
This little pig that Gwen put it out here is so cute.
It is cute.
I
Didn't
think-
Grandma give that to her?
I've been coming out every day and looking at it. It's so cute.
It is cute. She found a perfect little spot for it on there. Do you want to talk about the garden? I know a bunch of people had asked us about our garden, so
Sure.
Daddy and I want to come out here for a minute and talk about it and show everybody
We
the...
have a lot of fruit.
We do have a lot of fruits. Let's show them. So over on TikTok, I have been showing some videos of our garden. Gemma and I had some strawberries that we talked about. But I know, like I said, a lot of people wanted to kind of see what else is going on out here. And if you are new to the vlog, then you probably don't remember like when we... Or you
Got here
didn't see
5
when
years
we
ago.
like
I guess
planted
there's
all this stuff.
There's a vlog when we moved here 5 years ago.
There is, but we planted like how many fruit trees? Like 14?
Yeah, a bunch.
And this is the first year that we have fruit. So it's been like a long time coming. We also have garden beds and like a berry, like a raised garden bed. But let's go show them.
Berry
Let's show 'em.
patch,
a berry
baby.
patch. Yeah, we'll call it the berry
Uh-huh.
patch.
Come on.
Transitioning into the sun. Over here we have our 3 little raised garden beds, right, Gemma?
Yeah.
And the first one we just have little pumpkins. Hopefully those will be good pumpkins sooner or later. They're
Oh,
getting.
we have to weed this one.
Look how
Gemma.
well they're doing though. The pumpkins are doing great.
They are doing
aren't
good,
they?
but look at all these little weeds.
I know that's
We'll
fun
have to
though.
come back and do it when it's shady.
This is
like
the
that.
ivy that'll never go away, and I
Oh.
kind of like it. It's actually pretty. You actually,
Okay,
I think,
actually,
didn't you
though-
plant it?
No, it was here, and we tried to get rid of it, and the gardeners tried to get rid of it. And like honestly, if anybody watching this has had ivy like take over part of the yard, and like you can't, like, let me know if there's like anything that you know of that we can do to get rid of it, because
Yeah.
it keeps coming back in this garden bed.
That's right, though. It was on a trellis. There was like a trellis up the side of the shed here,
Before we did
and it
the
was going up.
raised beds. Oh, this is all herbs and a palm tree.
Oh
We
yeah.
talked about that.
There's some mint and some what is that back there? I
Basil,
forget. Basil,
chives,
tomato, rosemary.
Oh, there's little tomatoes.
Yeah, a bunch
Oh,
of
it looks
stuff.
like there's some that are almost ready. Gemma, look.
Oh, nice, down at the bottom hiding.
Oh, there's some that are almost ready. That's so exciting.
And then there's some tomatoes over here. It's kind of a shaky camera day, but there's some tomatoes over here. A couple different kinds. That one looks like it's
Actually
doing
have
really
choices.
well. Yep, that one's doing really well. And then over here we have a couple different cucumbers. And they're doing okay. And then this is a pear tree, right, Gemma?
Yeah.
Is there a partridge in a pear tree?
I love pear trees.
Oh, you love pear trees?
Starting stuff.
Also because I love pears.
Because you
look at
love
how good the
pears?
Pears are doing.
Did you even know what this was over here? I see Gwen back there picking some plums. This is actually a little plum tree too. Did you guys even see these hiding in here?
Oh.
Look at that fruit.
Those are actually nectarines, I think.
Oh, nectarines. I don't remember. I didn't
Are
really...
they ready?
It looks like these are. This is like a double bubble.
One time me and Grandpa tried one of those and they were good.
Oh, they were good? Back here we have a whole bunch of ripe plums.
Dad, you might be able to get some of those ones up high that she can't reach.
I'm trying to get this one.
Yeah, that looks good though. Yeah, these look really
I'll
good.
get the one down here.
Down there.
It has a little soft.
Well, give that one a second. Let's see what else we got going on. So over here we have a pomegranate tree. We got to trim it a little bit.
Is that flowers I see?
But yeah, it flowers really pretty.
Oh, so that means that this one might have fruit this year.
And hopefully we get some fruit out of
So
it.
this
Yeah.
is one, we try to pick plants that like would have fruit at different times of the year. So this is like a winter one.
Mm-hmm.
So if this actually does get fruit, this would be the first year, but it would be like the first time, it'll probably be like November, December when they're ready.
Yeah. We have a whole bunch of roses as I walk the tightrope. What do we got? Oh, a little bug. Oh, a little mantis.
It's a little baby.
Oh, I don't know if it's going to be able to
Oh,
zoom in well enough.
praying mantis.
Can someone get off
Can't really
me?
see. I'll get him off.
It's
Looks
beautiful.
like he's got a little... There we go. And then I'll see if I can put him...
Who was at the apple tree?
Oh, he's on the apple tree?
Yeah.
All right. Go back to your home, little buddy. Kill those bugs. Ooh, he's a good jumper. Oh, he's
we
eating
have
a...
apples
He's
on
eating a... Yeah, there's some apples on here.
Look at these ones.
Some on the
There's one right
bottom.
here.
Oh, look at
And
that.
there's some right here.
Look at that. That's a good little haul. Got some more roses.
I'm worried that the plants, because they're new still, because they're only a couple years old, are too, like the fruit's too heavy for
Oh,
them
it
to
is.
eat. That tree.
So here's the example. This, it actually, the biggest branch up top kind of broke off. I had to cut it off. But these are just, this is just drenched in peaches. I don't know how else to put it. And we were kind of out of town, as you know. But this is just so much fruit. It's reshaping the tree, but they're so good. I've actually had a bunch of them. They're really,
I'm gonna
really
pick one
good.
right now to have after,
All right.
after lunch tonight.
And let me show you this plum tree. So this plum tree, they did the graft thing where I think they have 4 different, see the different tags on there? There's 4 different types of plums.
Oh, these are gonna be so
And
good.
this is thick with plums. I don't know if you could see through here, but there's like a million plums on this thing.
So it's 4 different
All the way
varieties,
up.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's so cool. So each branch of the tree like basically grows a different fruit, which is
It's
like
got its own jam, literally. More roses, and then we have blackberries. We put the shade up because you can still see, actually they're getting sunburned a little bit, but it does have some pretty good fruit on it still, kind of hiding in there. So, yeah, that's why we got the netting up. We have some strawberries here too, underneath the net. A couple strawberries here, not under the net, and they're doing fine. But yeah, that's our backyard garden. The fruit's coming in a little bit small, probably because I wasn't able to prune them and thin them, but still, it's really good and it's delicious.
So Gwen brought a little bowl out so she could collect some of the things. Weren't there berries in here? She picked the berries first. So this is what we're gonna have for a little snack after lunch. But I really do love having all the fruit. Oh my gosh, what is this?
So the girls had a picnic in the backyard and it's getting overrun by these burrs. We got this when we went to Crash My Playa. I don't know.
It's like a concert
couple years
thing in
ago, Luke
Mexico?
Bryan's concert, yeah, but I don't know. Am I gonna pick all these off?
Okay, so then let's ask that question too. If anybody watching this knows like how to help get rid of these, like let us know. Look how much this is.
They hurt.
They're in our grass.
And they hurt and they're dry. They hurt your feet and they're pretty terrible.
So normally we would plant like a little bit more things in the raised beds that we have. We went kind of like slim this year. And the reason why we did is because you guys know we recently got back from spending a couple months in Hawaii, and we just were unsure of like if we were even going to be here at the time to be able to like take care of all the plants. So we kept it pretty low key, but depending on how much longer it takes for us to get this house ready to either sell or be a rental, we may plant more, or we may like plant stuff that will like be like fall and winter crops. But I do really love having like a big enough yard that we can like grow our own food. That's like the coolest thing ever. And I follow a bunch of like YouTubers and like either on TikTok and stuff too, like gardeners. One of my favorite channels is the Epic Gardening guy. Isn't that the guy, right? The Epic Gardening channel with the guy that does all the stuff. So if you guys, oh, we're putting sunscreen on. If you guys are interested in learning more about gardening, highly recommend that guy's channel. You guys, I just can't get over this outfit on Jagger today.
Yes.
You look like a little man, and it's so weird. It's so weird. We have this little man in the house, and he's gonna be walking soon.
Gabriel's teaching them music.
Oh, show him. Did you show the little piano that Dad got him?
He loves this. Like Dad just took it out of the box. He had to stop playing with it except like stand up and yell at
So cute, and you got all these birthday toys.
Yeah.
It's been like birthday extravaganza this week. Speaking of birthdays, do you know what we're doing this afternoon?
Decorating for Gwen's.
Where is she? Gwen's birthday's the day after tomorrow, so we're decorating for Gwen's birthday. We like got these things. We just leave these up for the birthday season. A couple things, but we're gonna be adding some stuff for Gwen's birthday. All right, fruit taste test. What do you want to try?
I'll try this.
I just have one of those. They're really good. You want to try fruit taste test? Which one do you want to try? Oh, blackberry. What do you think? Really good?
Yeah.
Gwen, fruit taste test. I cut it all up.
Oh, blackberry.
Are you organizing all my waters for me? That's so nice of you. Which one did you take, a blackberry? Oh, so good. All right, Gracelyn. Have some fruit taste test. She's like, just leave the plate. But this is pretty good. We grew that ourselves in our yard. All right, guys, what's your favorite one? Favorite fruit?
The plum.
That we've grown so far. Did you see that the tree on the other side? I think it has like nectarines and plums, 2 different varieties. That one's getting ready to.
I like the peaches.
Right, the peaches are my favorite, I think, for sure. I think Gemma, she's playing with Jagger. Gemma, you like the berries the most, right? Yeah. Oh, you have one right now?
We're starting to grow apples.
Yeah, Dad showed them. I saw actually there was a couple really big ones. I don't think we caught the tree in time to do a lot of thinning on it, so I think that they're gonna be small, but we're gonna have them. They're on the ground? Yeah, we'll see. It might not be the year this year, but I'm excited that it's growing.
So Gwen turns 12. It's pretty amazing. Where does the time go? Jagger's a little baby. Gabriel's gonna be turning 18. Holy cannoli. Oh, look at this. Now he wants to party.
Jagger's jealous.
Yeah, we turned down Miss Rachel.
The little kids.
She's always rocking.
Gwen are playing upstairs with the exception of Jagger. He's down here with us, but we got all of Gwen's presents ready wrapped. So sneak peek.
Yeah.
Sneak peek. We got her.
That's such a weird thing.
I like it. It's an avocado toast.
I know, but it's an avocado loaf.
It's supposed to be like a.
That's a huge piece of. Okay. All right.
I like it.
I love.
Like it. I'm sure other people like it too.
Actually, I love it. Now that I think about it.
Also, I got a lot of stuff off Amazon. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to link some of this stuff, because like, I think I did pretty good. Like,
They'll probably have to check out the actual video of her opening it to see what everything is, though.
you gotta sneak again. This is a sneak peek.
Yeah.
We're gonna wrap this up.
Sneak
and then
peek.
We
Some
did pull
stuff.
out all the decorations on the kitchen table, honey. If you want to show them, we'll do that.
Oh yeah, the decor. 1 second, buddy boy. I'll pick you up. All right. Oh, we got the decor over here. So it's a unicorn theme. Got a unicorn balloon, unicorn stuff. Super fun.
Okay, Dad's turn. He's helping out with the boxes. I wrapped all the bags. I think I got.
No, I wrapped all the bags.
I mean,
She just threw things in the bags. She's like, okay, I'm done with my
okay,
half.
but I did also prep the boxes, so all you're doing is wrapping them. You're not
Okay.
putting the stuff in them.
Prep the boxes. Good pile of boxes.
Jagger, what do you think? He's like, I don't know, Mom.
Shenanigans.
What are you looking for? Oh, a snack? Let me help Jem. I'm gonna get her a snack. All right. Oh, that's a lot of pretzels. Are you gonna share those with somebody?
I'll send them with Gretchen.
Okay. Hey, also, because that was the bottom of the bag, don't dump it upside down because there's some extra salts in there. So bring it to me and I'll throw it out when it's empty. Okay?
Okay.
All right, guys, we did it. All the presents are there. So I didn't really get to decorate that much more. We do have this kind of set up already, and I'm gonna switch out those balloons, but let me show you guys what happened. So I bought those helium tanks. They're actually in our side yard now because we're gonna dump them. And I got one balloon blown up. It took forever because it was like the very bottom of the tank. And I went and got a new tank, and it was a dud. So what is that's like an upside down, half blown up unicorn.
Yes.
So I have to run to the party store. We did get those. Those are really cute. So that's like a little baby piñata. There's also a little, look how cute this one is.
We can do this.
So I was gonna do that, but I got the machine that blows up the balloons. Isn't this cute, guys? I got it at Target. And I was thinking about putting this here, kind of like in that doorway. But maybe we can do it now. But if not, we don't do it now. We're gonna do it tomorrow. But we did get all the stuff out, so we're ready to go.
All right, so I guess that's gonna do it for today. Everybody's kind of winding down. The girls are playing they play a little Roblox every once in a while. Keeping an eye on Gretchen here while she plays. And yeah, that's gonna do it. I think Jagger's gonna probably just chill here with me for a little bit. My little guy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys soon. Bye.